All set now, ready to race. Good luck on your winner-take-all tickets for the second set. With a favorite purple ribbon. Anytime now. Extraordinary second choice. Coming up, Kitty West. Stand by for dispatch. Race number 4. Starter holds the button. And they're up. Extraordinary draws for your lead, moving up on the outside, Kitty West. Purple Ribbon moving up by the rail, then followed by Boss G, followed by Papa Ethan, while Time to Shine Dad is in behind them, heading towards the last 800. It's Purple Ribbon in command, followed on the outside by Extraordinary. Kitty West racing in third, then followed by the rail by Papa Ethan, moving up Time to Shine Dad and Boss G, routing at the 600. Purple Ribbon still leading the field. Extraordinary remains in second, and racing in third is Kitty West by the rail, moving up Papa Ethan, routing towards the 450. Purple Ribbon, then moving up on the outside is runner number 2, Extraordinary, and down the stretch they come. It's still Purple Ribbon. Extraordinary is on the outside. Papa Ethan now running in third, and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Purple Ribbon still leading the field, followed by entry number 2, Extraordinary, Papa Ethan, and finally, it's going to be close between Purple Ribbon and Extraordinary. Then comes number 3, Papa Ethan and Kitty West.